YouTube, it's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. I just got off work. Your boy looking mad rough, but it's all good. I was gonna wait to shave and all that before I shot this video, but we ain't doing that. This is a $1,700 mystery box. I'm super hyped for it, man. I've been doing really well this year with the mystery boxes. I mean, just having great luck. $1,700 box. This is the most expensive box for sure of the last year. Within the last year, I think the most expensive box I've ever had from Soul Supremacy was $2,000. So we're not too far from it. I told you guys, I just buy whatever's in my cart. I really don't care how much the price of the box is. You had to get in and get out, and people can carjack you and all that stuff. So for me to even get a box, I feel blessed. But a $1,700 box, oh yeah, let's get it. So y'all know how I get down, man. We ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm super hyped for this box, man. I hope I got something good. I actually got another box already on the way. My shipping for some reason been getting pushed back on everything I order. It's not even with just FedEx or beater boxes, like everything I order for some reason. I'm having bad luck with that. I'm waiting on about 6 packages to come in, including another beater box. First reaction to this $1,700 box is, I don't know about this one. This box every pair in this box is a loose pair, bro. Now, I've had a box, recently I posted everything was dead stock, so that was the first. This box is also a first. I've never had a box with no, let me make sure, man. Ooh, I got some nice stuff though. Alright, we're just gonna jump right in. Everything in here is a loose pair. I don't even know where to start. I guess we start off with these grails. We got playoff 12s, size 8. Like I said, no box on these. These things look like they're in great shape. And yeah, size 8. Look like somebody had them marked for $350. But if you shop with me, I probably won't hit you that hard. Look at the bottom of these. This is a grail shoe. You guys know, if you really rock with me, you know 12s is where it began for me with the whole shoe thing. When I first moved to Oklahoma, this was the first Jordan that just like caught my attention. I didn't even know it was a difference between what the other kids was wearing compared to what I was wearing. I seen them like, yo, I gotta have them. Did I get them? Of course not. We got the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air 5s. These are size 8 also. Another dope shoe. I've had these before in a super small size. I actually sold them to the homie locally for his son. This is a size 8 Bel-Airs. These are clean. These go for a pretty penny. The other ones that had dropped, the ones that didn't have no laces or whatever, I wasn't really feeling those. These are cool. No box, unfortunately. Man, I'm trying to find the ones that have like the pairs, alright, like on top, because these shoes are just everywhere. We got the StockX tag on these. Had these before, and I think I had them and they were dead stock. These are a size 11. I think I see 11. Part of the tag is taken off. Size 11 on these. Oh, what's going on? Alright, I'm back. Size 11 on these, again, from technical issues. Man, check these out. I don't remember. First Class. I think that's the name of these. No box. Size 11 with the StockX tag. I don't think these go for a crazy amount. I'm pretty sure they don't. But anyway. Next pair. We got some mids. Some of the Jordan 1 mids actually sell for a pretty good penny. First thing I look at with ones is that the stars underneath the toe box show you how much wear and tear is on them. These look like they are gently used. Jordan 1 mid. What size are these? This is a smaller size too. I don't see a size tag. Size 7. That is a rare size for me. I hardly ever get any size 7s. So sis, if you're watching this and you want these, just hit me up. Let me know. We running through this box quick. It is a lot of shoes in here. It's a lot of pairs in here. Ooh, I see some. It's kind of a struggle trying to pick these out like that. I normally like, you know, waiting for the heat to be at the end. These are size 8.5, Jordan 4. It's the premium, the wheat joints. I never seen these in hand. From that little premium line where they had the snake skin and the black ones, and they had a navy blue pair. I don't remember the names to all of these. But check these out. Pre-owned, still got a ton of stars on the bottom. Size 8.5. Man, oh snap! I see something on the toe box. So we got some damage right there on the toe. It looked like a burn spot almost. That sucks. But other than that, these are pretty clean. I would try to see if my boy can get that fixed for me. I don't know. It's harder to like stack them up too. I ain't got no box. Stack the boxes up, I'm just throwing them down there. Don C's, the beach joints. You guys know, I've had so many pair of these, I don't even know. Size 8 on these, pre-owned. This is shattered backboard material on these. People just don't rock them because they twos, but I don't know, the material is dope. I mean, these still go for a pretty good penny. I don't remember how much I sold mine for. I have a DS pair, and then I had multiple pairs that were pre-owned. But size 8 on these. And I'm just going through this box quick, man. You guys know if you need more pictures or something, hit that. You can hit me up on the email, and I'll send you some more pictures or on IG or something if I don't have them posted. Most of the stuff will be up on TGOTSOLE for sale before it even. I've been doing little story sales, so if you see them, you see the story sale, whatever's left over from that is on the page, and everything on the page is available. We got the Seattle 10s, size 8.5. These are super clean. Still got Nike Air on the insoles. I'm a fan of this colorway. Big fan of this colorway. Size 8.5. These are clean. I like 10s. I just got rid of some 10s from the last video. What was those? The Stealth 10s? Somebody locally had hit me up for those. Dunk from above. Size 7.5. Again, another lightly used pair. Are they used? Yeah, these are used. Check out all the stars. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully my phone don't die. I'm shooting this again from the iPhone, so again, these right here was slept on, man. These right here was slept on. This is a dope colorway, real good material, a gum bottom. Come on, size 7.5. Oh my goodness. We got some beaters right here. The red suede 5s. I mean, they're not too bad. They still got a little life in them. These are size 10.5, my size. Somebody had the audacity to swap the laces like that. That is their personal preference. So it is what it is. Not too long ago. I think I had them in like 12, a couple boxes ago. All right, guys, we got 3 pair left. We went through this box pretty quick, man. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a lot of shoes, but they all seem to be in decent shape, and some of them is real status between the playoffs and the Don C's. We got the Yin Yang 1, size 11. I've had these before. Simple Nike Air on the tongue. This is a good used pair. Still got some life left. That leather is buttery on these too. Another slept on pair that's now going for a crazy amount just because they're ones. Got the Nike Air right there in the red. Check out the bottom. The stars are gone. Most of the stars are gone. I ain't gonna cap to you. I'm looking at the back. It's a little heel drag on the back. They got a little life left. Just a little bit. Nonetheless, simple colorway. Throw those down there. We got a Nike Dunk Low Pro, Nike SB. Dunk Low Pro. I don't know nothing about these. These are dead stock though. So it's the only dead stock pair in the box. These are size 12. They look bigger than a 12 for some reason. These are a Dunk Low Pro. I have no idea what these are called, of course. You guys know me, I don't know nothing about dunks and SBs. It's a dope colorway though. And check out the bottom. I like the bottom of them. The translucent sole. But hopefully they got some good value to them. This is more of another quantity over quality box. I can't say. I mean, the fresh princes and all them stuff go for it. There's a black shoelace, must go with those red suede. We got the last pair. Not dead stock, unfortunately, but again with the stars, still a lot of them right there. And you guys already know what these are. True Blue 3, size 8.5. Still got the Nike Air on the insole. These will fetch alone $200 plus. Make sure you ain't got no crack. Not the inside where that paint be chipping. Still pretty good. Check those out, man. So I'm trying to count it down. I think we got like 11, 12 pair of shoes for $1,700. I'll buy it all day. I ain't even mad at it, man. I'm not even mad at it. I want to see what the SBs are worth. See what those Don C's are going for nowadays. I wish that the shoes came with a box, but it's all good. I'm not mad at it. Appreciate all you guys coming back to watch the video. I know I had said that this box was coming in the last video and some of y'all was waiting on it, so I want to make sure I got it up and got it out to you guys. Your boy just got off work, so I'm super tired. Again, with the fresh out the box spray, I'm still rocking with this stuff. The code is still active, TGS, fresh out the box SD.com. Make sure y'all go get some. Keep the whole room smelling like fresh kicks. Spray your used shoes down. Have them smelling like new again. This stuff, god dang. Just the cap alone, I mean, this is an amazing product, man. It's not even expensive, man. Save 10% with code TGS. I think it's like $10 a bottle. And I'm gonna save you a little bit with that code. Make sure y'all go get some. That code will be active for a while, so let them know I sent you. Follow them on IG also. Again, I appreciate you guys coming back, watching the video. These videos is pretty quick, pretty simple, down to the basic. I will have all these shoes posted either on Instagram or on the eBay. Y'all know I've been rocking back on eBay. Some of you guys been hitting me up on there, and that's fine because I don't have to pay no fees on eBay no more. So you can follow me on eBay, Instagram, Twitter, yeah, all them places at TGOTSOLE and at TGOTSOLE for sale. Another box coming in. Hopefully I have a little bit more time so I don't have to rush through the video. But that's gonna do it. Your boy is out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed. And again, shout out to my boy in Texas who copped the mystery box. That was a big one, bro. Hit me back and said he liked it. So I was super happy with that. I love when you guys give me feedback on those mystery boxes. I do the best I can to make sure you guys are happy and can make some money with the boxes. I should have some more available, so you can hit me up on IG. I might post it like in the story or something if I got one. Something like that. We'll figure it out though. If you're new to the channel, hit that sub button. More boxes on the way. I'm out. Peace.